Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the light setup on my GX. Every off-road vehicle needs lights, right? So I'll get into what I have, how I have it wired, what it looks like in the dark, so stick around. So we'll start up front. I have the KC Flex Era 4 in a combo beam, which means the top two have a clear lens and they act as spotlights, and then the bottom two lenses have this diffused cover on them and they act as floodlights. Each one of these kicks out, I think it's 7,900 lumens, so they are super bright. They also have these little amber backlights on them too. Next up, I have the KC Flex Era 1s as my fog lights. These give off, I think it's 2,400 lumens, and I'll show you how I have those put in. So what I did with these is I pulled out my factory fogs and cut out the back of the fog light housing and bolted on a little metal plate underneath here, and then mounted the KC to that little plate and put it up in the factory location. Now the easy way to do it would be to hook it to your factory fog lines to go to it, but I ran it auxiliary so that I can run the fog lights with my dims or brights on. Next up, I have my Puddle lights, which are the under lights that come on when you open the door. And what I have under here are some KC Cyclones that I used the factory wiring to hook up to, and then zip tied it to a rock slider. So these come on every time you open the door or unlock the vehicle. On the back, I have some KC Cyclones in amber hooked up for chase lights, and I have these mounted to a Rago fabrication Cyclone mount, and they're just bolted to the wing. The way I have these run are from the lights up through the mess of winch cords to the battery to the relays, and then into my rigged up temporary mounts I have here on the dash. Now the way I have the chase lights hooked up, they're mounted to the wing and run inside through the door. Had to cut some holes in the door. And then run down through here. And also temporary, mounted to this switch on this 12-volt outlet. Now we just got to wait for it to get dark so we can see these things in action. Well, it's finally dark enough to show you guys how these things really light up in the dark. Just for reference, well, of course, here are my dash lights. Here are my headlights on low beam. Here are the Flex Era 1 fog lights. Here are the Flex Era 4 little secondary beam. They have an amber. And here are the Flex Era 4 at full beam. Here are the Cyclone chase lights. And here is everything on. Well guys, that's my light setup on the GX. If you have any questions or want to tell me about how your lights are set up, leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTube things. See ya.